The demand for high-performance kitchenware has shifted as more people trade takeout for home-cooked meals. Interestingly, the appeal has reached typists and gamers who value efficiency and easy cleanup to maximize their downtime. This guide evaluates the top nonstick pans based on their coating switch type, PTFE versus ceramic, heavy-duty build quality, handle layout for ergonomic tossing, and the overall long-term value they bring to your stovetop. Product number 1. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set, 2-piece. When I first unboxed this Tefal Ultimate set, the 10 and 12-inch combo felt like the perfect starter pack for any kitchen. The build quality is surprisingly rugged for the price point. The hard anodized exterior feels tough enough to handle being knocked around in a busy cabinet. My favorite part of the layout is the signature thermospot indicator. When I tested it, the ring turned solid red right when the pan reached the perfect searing temperature, a feature any data-loving gamer would appreciate. In terms of real performance, the non-stick surface is incredibly slick. I fried an egg with zero oil and it slid around like a hockey puck on fresh ice. I noticed that the riveted silicone handles stayed cool to the touch even after 15 minutes over a medium flame. The reinforced titanium coating is designed for longevity, and while it's dishwasher safe, I found that a quick wipe with a paper towel was usually all it took to get it clean. If you want a reliable, high-value set that takes the guesswork out of preheating, this Tefal duo is a winner. Product number 2. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set, 3-piece. If the 2-piece set is the starter pack, this 3-piece Tefal set is the full expansion. It adds an 8-inch pan to the 10.25 and 12-inch lineup, which I found to be my go-to for single-serving omelets or toasting spices. Handling these, I noticed they have the same substantial heft without being too heavy for a quick wrist flip. These are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a huge benefit if you like to start a thick steak on the stove and finish it under the broiler. During my testing, the heat distribution was impressively even. I noticed that the base is designed with a technogrid pattern that prevents warping, a common issue with cheaper aluminum pans. The layout of the flared rims makes pouring out sauces or fats much cleaner, preventing those annoying drips down the side of the pan. My verdict? If you're a heavy-duty home cook who needs a specific size for every task, the added value of that third pan makes this set the most practical choice for a busy household. Product number 3. All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set, 2-piece. The All-Clad HA1 set is where you start getting into professional territory. When I first held the 8 and 10-inch pans, the build quality was immediately apparent. They have a thick, heavy-gauge aluminum base that is induction compatible, a rarity in the nonstick world. The layout features high, sloped sides that make it much easier to toss vegetables without them flying out of the pan. Performance-wise, these are beasts. They are oven and broiler safe up to a staggering 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for professional-level versatility. I noticed that the stainless steel handles are contoured for a secure chef's grip, though they can get a bit warm near the base. The 3 layers of PFOA-free nonstick coating felt thicker and more durable than the Tefal models. If you are a serious cook who wants a pan that can handle high heat transitions from the stove to the oven, and you value a brand that is synonymous with kitchen excellence, the All-Clad HA1 is worth the premium investment. Product number 4. Tramontina Professional 10-inch Non-Stick Frying Pan. The Tramontina Professional is the hidden gem of the culinary world. When I unboxed this 10-inch skillet, I noticed it felt exactly like the pans I've seen in commercial restaurant kitchens. It features a heavy-gauge aluminum construction and a removable red silicone sleeve over the handle. This layout is brilliant. You keep the sleeve on for stovetop comfort, or slide it off if you need to pop the pan into a high-heat oven. In my testing, the reinforced nonstick coating, branded as Starflight, was remarkably resilient. I noticed that the rivets are flush with the interior of the pan, which means food doesn't get stuck around the metal bits, a major win for hygiene. It heats up incredibly fast, which is perfect for a quick weekday lunch. My favorite part is the value. It performs like a high-end luxury pan, but at a price that makes it replaceable if you're a particularly aggressive cook. It's the best workhorse pan for someone who wants commercial-grade performance without the fancy branding. Product number 5. Sensart Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan with Lid. The Sensart ceramic pan offers a beautiful, modern layout that stands out on any stove. I tested the version with the lid, and I noticed the wood grain handle, which is actually heat-resistant Bakelite, provides a very comfortable, soft-touch grip. Unlike the other black pans on this list, the ceramic switch type provides a green alternative that is completely free of PFAS and PFOA. Performance-wise, the ceramic surface is exceptionally smooth. I noticed it excels at low to medium heat cooking, making it the perfect omelet pan. The die-cast aluminum core is thicker than standard pans, which I found helped it retain heat even after I turned the burner off. The included tempered glass lid is a high-value addition, allowing you to steam veggies or melt cheese on a burger without losing moisture. If you prefer a healthier ceramic coating and want a stylish, versatile skillet that comes with its own lid, the Sensart is a fantastic aesthetic choice for your kitchen.